Hello, my beautiful, amazing crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, LadySamoan, and we are back with another video. Yes, 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 y'all. I am so excited for this video, y'all. I was holding out on this unboxing for today, and I think the box came the earlier part of the week. And my husband was like, what's in that box? Because I'm about to open it. I'm like, you are not going to open my box because that's for my crochet family. So I'm so excited to share with y'all. I saw some new yarn. It is some Bernat Blanket yarn, and I wanted to I wanted to actually purchase a little more yarn, but I wanted it to be more so for some plushies and different stuff like that. And I told myself, I think I said it in my video of some of my favorite yarns. I was like, this year, I think I'm going to purchase a little more Bernat Blanket type yarns. And because I really love Posh, I put that in the video too, but I love how Bernat Blanket works up as well. So I was just like, I'm going to purchase a little more. So why not let my first unboxing of the year be some Bernat Blanket yarn? And y'all, I made something out of Bernat Blanket I want to share with y'all before we do the unboxing. It's going to be real quick. But look at this, y'all. Look at this cutie. I call it a ball of love, y'all. A ball of love. So I actually did it. I put like the little, like on Love Plush, we have like the little heart bumps there. I decided not to put like a smile or anything because I use 35mm eyes, and I think these are gorgeous. I love the bigger eyes, and this colorway is gorgeous. But I put a little patch on the back that says love you, and I just think that it is just so cute. And y'all, when I did it, right, because I had something I wrote up for like a circle pattern, but I wanted it to lay flat. So it's not your traditional increases. When I did this one, you can see the bottom it lays flat, so it's able to kind of just sit there. And I just think it's the cutest thing. Maybe it's just me, y'all. I think it's the cutest thing. But I made it so that it would lay flat on the bottom. And I was like, maybe I should put like 4 little legs on there. But I was like, no, I'm going to just leave it just like this. So I have it just laying flat. And I think it's, like I say, I think it's just the cute. It's like a ball of love. I'm like, a ball of love. Something that you look like, oh, that is so cute. So, some people are like, what is it? It's just a ball of love. Y'all, and I made it out of this Bernat Blanket yarn, and it was a cute colorway. It's like, for one, you can see kind of like it's like grays and brown, little white specks in it. It reminded me a little bit of like, I don't know why I got kind of like a giraffe feel, but one of those like after the kid played with the giraffe for a little while, like you made like a plush out of it, and it kind of got a little dirty or a little old. That's this yarn just remind me of that. I don't know why, y'all. I don't know why. I don't know where that came from, but that's just how this yarn make me feel. But let me know what y'all think about my ball of love in the comments below. I just felt like doing some amigurumi too, and something simple, y'all. And this was so simple to make. But anyways, let's unbox this yarn. Now, let me get my scissors. The box, as you can see in the thumbnail, it is a big box, y'all. So I can't like literally just like, oh, look, let's pick it up. We're going to just cut it on the side here. And then I'm going to just pull from it, and I'll show y'all what I got. Oops. Child. Y'all, I'm coming. Let me get this side, huh? It's a little piece that was there. Okay, so, oh, that's so cute. And all of it is the same kind of Bernat Blanket, but I got different colorways. And look like I'm missing got 2 of the same, possibly. Okay, so anyways, it is the Bernat Blanket patchwork yarn. Look at that. And look how that look. And y'all, I was a little hesitant too, because I said, you know what? I never made a Bernat blanket out of the blanket yarn, which is crazy. But I think I'm gonna make amigurumi out this. The patchwork just remind me of, look at this color right here. It remind me a little bit of like when you have like little patchwork dolls for like back in the days and stuff like that. So let's read a little specs on it, because I got different colors to show y'all. I got this one is, first of all, it's a super bulky 6 yarn. Suggested is 8mm crochet hook. When I made my ball of love, I used a 7mm. I surprised myself, y'all, because I usually make like a 6mm, but I was like, look at me. I used the 7mm. This one says 8mm suggested, 100% polyester, 220 yards. And this color is called, it's made in China. Let's see what else it says. I'm trying to see the color. All right, y'all. Here we go now. Okay, pastry cream. And that's another thing. When I was looking at the on the website, it had some cute like names for these yarn. It was like it was so cute. But this one is pastry cream for Bernat Blanket patchwork. I think that one is so cute. I love the brown colorway. This one is beach towel. Look at that. And that do look like a beach towel. Back in the days, like I'm from the low country, so we would go to I'm from the times when my sister used to work at the beach store on Myrtle Beach, and when you go there, it's like beach towels galore. It's like the super Walmart of beach stores. Like those old school beach stores were awesome. And you got like it's like if you were coming to the beach for vacation, you can find anything like little hermit crabs. Like I think back then we didn't appreciate Myrtle Beach as much as now, seeing it kind of fizzle a little bit. It's not the same, but we didn't appreciate it as much of what we really had, because I guess we live so close. But anyways, this remind me of like, the beach waves. I think it got a real good name, beach towel. So that's this one. Look at me trying to hit myself with it. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks worked up. That is so super cute. Okay, let me pull. Then we have this one is called, it looks so, well, it got some of the same colors, but it's not the same. I see a slight difference. Tropical Splash. So I guess it looks kind of like the same because of that beach towel, Tropical Splash. We still around the same right there. Look at that, y'all. That is so cute. And this is how it looks work up on the side. Y'all, I absolutely love this yarn. And I know some people may not like it because some people like to color control. I personally do not care about color controlling, and I can see now that I'm going to really like it because it looks like it kind of changes color quite frequently. So I can see like an amigurumi being made, and it is like really, really cute out of these because we'll get a good bit of color changes. So I think I'm going to actually like that. This one is Cherry Twist. Ooh, this is gorge. Look at that. That is so cute. Cherry Twist. Now, I did not get all of the colors. I think I'm not even gonna think. I'm not even gonna tell y'all. Look at that, y'all. That's cute. That kind of gives me like a cherry pie type look. That is so cute. Now, I'm not sure how many colors it is. I know I got a good bit. I think I probably didn't get like 4 of them or something like that. And they were on sale when I got them, but it was still like I should have had. I think I'm gonna wait until they go on sale a little more, according to if I really like how they work up. Look at this one, y'all, and I may get the rest of the colors. But this is called Teal Dream. This is cute, Teal Dream. Now look at that, and it got a hint of that green in there. That is so cute. And this is how this one looks worked up. That is so 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 pretty. Then we have this. Now this one is my favorite. When I saw this one, I was like, listen, I think I want to get like multiple in this colorway, but I'm gonna see how it works up, and I may come back and double back around for this one because this was my favorite one, y'all. Look at this. This one is called, let me tell you what it's called first. It's called uh oh mm, look at me. Look at me. Okay, is it okay? Y'all, I'm about to say 906. Okay. It's called 90s Vibe. Look at that. I do not know why. This, when I saw it, it kind of reminds me of a couple of things. Some patchwork from like Saved by the Bell. I don't know why, y'all. I was thinking Saved by the Bell. This right here just kind of like, and then it's kind of, I can't remember. Is it A Nightmare Before Christmas that have like a patchwork type character? I think. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it. But it reminds me of that too. I don't know all the characters in Nightmare Before Christmas, y'all. So excuse me if I got that wrong. But definitely gave me Saved by the Bells for some reason. But this is how this one looked. And like I said, this was one of my favorites when I actually saw it on the website. I said, listen, y'all, if anything y'all would know about me, and my kids, my family, everybody can tell you, I am a nostalgia type of person. Like, I love nostalgia, like old school things, like just history, like 80s and 90s. Like, y'all, that was it. So those things kind of touch my heart. Now, I did not know, like I was just saying, I guess I got two of these by mistake because I definitely did not want to get two. Nothing wrong with two. I'm making sure with the name Citrus Stack. Yes, I got two of Citrus Stack, and I guess it was something, a misprint in my cart that I didn't catch. But it's pretty. It kind of gives me a nice summery feel. Citrus Snack. Is it Citrus Snack? Citrus Stack. Citrus Stack. I think it's very, very cute, y'all. I got two of these. Now, I would have rather got two of the 90s one, but, or even just one other colorway that I didn't get. Like I said, I think I'm missing like 3 or 4 other colors. So I would have want to get another one, but it's okay. This one right here is how this looks work up. And so let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to say it's 11. So that puts me at not having 4 of the other colorways. I'm not sure. Don't hold me to it. Y'all can go look it up. I got this one from Joann's, and I did got it on like a slight sale. It wasn't one of the best sales, I would honestly have to say, but it was a sale. It was good enough to get these right here. It wasn't that bad. And I was excited about these. Like I said, I want to build a little more upon Bernat Blanket being like my go-to for amigurumi. Now, I have been in a pickle a little bit, y'all, because I was just like, I don't really know what I want to crochet a lot of times when it comes down to amigurumi. Sometimes I was making a little bit of minis, and I did a couple of that this week. Some days I get up and it's like, I know I want to make something, but I don't know what I want to make when it comes to amigurumi. So I'm trying to really like figure out what's the best things to make so I don't have a lot of stuff just laying around. That's another thing too. And I also, y'all know, kind of like Moody, I want to crochet what I want to crochet, what I love to crochet, and you know, I don't see nothing wrong with that. But when it comes to amigurumi, I have so many options because I have a lot of patterns. I have a lot of books. Some days I want to just crochet a love plush. It's just, I have to get it together. I have to get it together. But anyways, excuse me. Let me know what y'all think about the yarn. Like I said, and let me know if y'all have anything, because if you do, if you already used the Bernat Blanket patchwork, this is one of my favorites too. I don't know why. The chocolate and all that, that looks good. But if y'all have already used the Bernat Blanket patchwork, let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. What y'all even used it for? What did y'all make out of it? And if you've made like a blanket out of Bernat Blanket, like how do you like the blanket? Because I really have been thinking about doing a blanket, but I'm like, I don't know. But anyways, before we get up out of here, y'all know we got to pick out of our inspiration jar. We're going to leave and end this thing on a nice note. Let's see. Oh, y'all. It's trying to get away. It is trying to get away. Let's see what we got today. Trust the timing of your life. Trust the timing of your life. Y'all, listen. I'm going to just say this. I take this one serious, and it's so interesting. I always say, I know y'all say every time she pulls, she say this one resonates. This is the one, but really it does, because sometimes we like to move quicker than what we're actually, or where we're actually supposed to be in life. And I deal with that a lot. I deal with that a lot because sometimes it's like I want to be on 100 and get to the destination, when in reality I have to still go slow and enjoy this journey, because that's just perfect timing. It's divine timing. I really do believe in divine timing, and I really do believe that sometimes we have to just kind of take a breath, and we have to self-care, take care of ourselves, and we have to just do what we can do when we can do it, and then understand that whatever we got done today was what we're supposed to get done today, and then tomorrow we'll have another day to get the rest done. And then I have to remember too, y'all, I'm going to put it all in here because I'm going to use me as an example, but I have to remember to rest, because A lot of times I know my body is tired, but I want to just keep going. I want to do something. I want to just like this. And it's like, trust the timing of your life. It's okay to take a nap. It's okay to rest. I have to tell my daughter that a lot, but I also have to remind myself it's okay, because you can't be everything for everybody and nothing for to yourself. So just always remember that everything is a great time, and trust that timing, y'all. You can only do what you can do. And long as you're doing out the kindness and the pureness of your heart, that's all that matters. Y'all, let me know what y'all think about the yarn in the comments below. Thank y'all so much for being the best part of my crochet family. Hello. And I hope y'all really, really enjoyed this video. And as always, I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. And I will see you next time.